When we insert a spotlight or another type of lamp like this in a project, we must remember that they're simple 3D elements, like a tap for instance, and they don't contain any actual light source. This means that, first of all, if we want to eliminate the surrounding objects, we need to insert a light source, which is a different kind of element, like this, for example. Second of all, even if we insert a real light source that eliminates the nearby objects, this specific spotlight will still be off. However, we can give the illusion of illumination by using a particular kind of material called self-illumination, which we find in the materials section in components page. Let's look for it through the search bar. We can drag and drop it on the item, so the spotlight in this case. So in the final rendering image, this object, so this spotlight, is going to seem on.